Rockwell here that broke something, the M715 with the civilian cab. You are right. That's what we're picking up. That's going to be our next recovery truck project. What do you think this for a recovery vehicle?
It's gonna tap the foot.
So, 2023 is over and done with. But boy, did we have fun.
It was a heck of a year. It was a ton of fun.
Yeah, it was.
We did events in just about, I think, every month.
Yes.
We had something going on.
Yes, we did.
And sometimes we had back-to-back events.
Yep. We started out running up in the Barrens just for fun in the snow.
Yeah. With the rental
Jeep.
Phoebe.
Yep. Phoebe.
Chris called it Phoebe.
Yes.
Yeah.
She called it Phoebe. Then we were getting ready for the record games, or trying to. The Bobcat broke. The plow truck broke.
That's right.
And
then get everything out there for the record games, the whole team.
Yeah.
Gabe, Gene, getting everything out there.
Well, we're here getting fuel. The Petro stop in Albert Lee. It's a nice truck stop just south of I-80.
God, it seems like a lifetime ago, almost,
It
that the record
does.
games was. I mean, really. Look at the foam fingers on the wall over there. And all of the stuff. And the lift behind us.
The lift that we got at the record games was incredible.
I know.
I never dreamed of having a lift in the shop that soon. I mean, that was...
I thought you would have a lift, but not this big of a lift. It would be something you found on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist or whatever, but not never in a million years this. It's so amazing.
Yeah.
Well, shoot, in the shop itself, this was the first winter in the shop.
Yes. Well,
this was the whole first season.
Yeah, first season of having the shop was incredible. And the record games was absolutely almost surreal to me.
I know. The thousands of people, the fans coming up. When Matt first talked to us about it, talked to you about it, and you called me, I was like, this is going to be cool. I thought maybe 1,000, maybe 2,000 people would show up.
It was
not
incredible.
even close to the crowds that showed up. Just crazy. I remember when we were pulling into Sand Hollow, and I had to get out, and Mara jumped in the front seat of the dually and pulled through, and it just, the crowds, the people. And when we first pulled into Sand Hollow, and they had the registration booth and the line of cars for registration.
Unbelievable.
Even in the rain. It rained those 2 days, and fans still hung out.
Yes. And they kept the place clean.
I know.
That
was incredible.
I know.
Then we came back, and we went to
we had an event right after, right away when we came back.
The swap meet.
But not, I mean, we went to the swap meet for Minnesota Four-Wheel Drive Association.
We went and got my truck.
No, not
Mother's Day weekend.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's
when we bought this.
That's when we went to Sidco's. Oh, because you talked to Sidco at the swap meet.
Yes.
That's right.
Yeah.
And then,
and we went and got this.
Yeah.
And then Memorial and Nikki and his mom came out
from Oregon.
Yeah. We have a special guest for the weekend that came all the way out from Oregon just to spend the weekend with us, recovering vehicles. Nikki, say hi.
Hey, how's it going?
Spent 3 days with us. That was super cool.
Absolutely.
What a great kid. Huge fan.
He was thrilled.
And he's got his own channel.
He was over the moon to get to hang out with everybody and just do what we just do for fun. We would be doing it if it wasn't on YouTube. And to have him so much enjoy that was super cool.
And
then we had
Scuba's record. Got stuck in the mud. And he buried those 44-inch tires.
That was funny. I can remember coming around the corner and dropping in, and there's Thad and him trying to get it out. You and I are talking about it on the radio. It's like, yeah, he sunk that one.
Yep, and Thad broke his record.
Yeah.
And Scuba had a little mishap with his.
We were busy that weekend because of that.
Very busy.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were the only working wrecker for a while.
Yeah.
Then
after that, I think we went up to Gilbert for Women's Weekend of Wheeling.
Yep.
And then we did Wasabi Mountain Trail.
We went and did the Wasabi Mountain Trail just for fun.
Yeah.
And
we had one weekend off that we didn't have an event. And so what did we go do? Go break stuff.
We went wheeling, yeah. and on a trail that breaks the wrecker every time. We lost our brakes when we were towing Joe's buggy out. And the time before that, we actually had to leave it out there overnight when we spit out a rear lift block. We had to come back the next day, kind of put it back together and limp it out. And this time was no different. We broke a spring center bolt, slid our axle back in the driver's side.
Yeah, we broke Clifford. The wrecker had to be limped out again.
Yep.
Yeah, that trail. If you ever get a chance to see that trail or go do that, be in Minnesota, that's one you got to go check out.
Yep, Wasabi Mountain Trail up on the Iron Range.
Yeah.
That is something else.
And then we had, what was it? The Crawl for the Cure is after? I think Crawl for the Cure was in July, right?
Crawl for the Cure is in August, same weekend as my birthday.
So what was in July?
We had Father's Day weekend down at Trollhagen.
That was fun.
Yep.
We got, and that's when we got the side-by-side. Because
No, we got the
side-by-side
Memorial
after
weekend.
Memorial Weekend.
Yeah.
And that was the first weekend,
Yeah.
Father's Day, that we got to take the
Side
side-by-side.
by side out, yep.
And then it was
Didn't we go?
Rock Rash up in Gilbert, or Trail Jam is now they call it.
No, I thought that was that in July?
Trail Jam is before Crawl for the Cure.
I thought it was the other way around.
Maybe.
I think it's the other way
I
around. I
think
think
it's
Crawl
the
for
other
the
way
Cure
around.
is
I
first.
think Crawl is first.
Because Crawl is the
And that's
same
a great
weekend as
event every
my.
year.
Yes.
Crawl for the Cure is a great event.
Yeah.
Fantastic
Good.
event. They raise a lot of money for the MS Society.
Yeah,
They
good
do.
cause, good people.
Yep.
Yeah, and then Rock Rash,
Trail
customer
Jam.
appreciation, or Trail Jam. Yeah,
Trail Jam.
Trail Jam.
That was a fun event.
That is a fun event. We were in Gilbert a lot.
Yes.
And Paul that owns West 40 there, we almost have our own, bar stool there because we were there so much. And he really took care of us.
Yes, he did.
The West 40 campground, and those guys are amazing, and they're building that new shower and bathroom and all that kind of stuff.
Yep. And expanded sites.
Yeah.
Big sites, big enough for my trailer.
Yeah.
That's big.
Everybody in Gilbert treats us really well. That's when we met the chief of police.
Yes.
He gave in the Freedom Winch
Winch
Road.
roll. Yep.
Yep.
Yeah. And then we had, what did we have after that? We had
What did we have after that?
We had Midwest weekend at Trollhagen.
Yes, we did. Yeah. And then Toys for Tots, or did we go to?
We went to Toys for Tots.
No, I know we went to Toys for Tots, but I'm trying to think, did we do?
We didn't go to Veterans Run.
Yeah, the Veterans Run that we
We didn't
traditionally
make it
have
this
done
year.
got
Yep.
canceled this year.
Yeah.
Yep, that got canceled.
Yeah. Another great event that I hope they bring back. That would be a good one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So, and we bought the Snowcat in there. What do you think this for a recovery vehicle? We just got to get this one while the buying's right.
Yeah, when did we buy the Snowcat?
I don't remember.
Was that August?
I think that was July.
No.
4th of July. When did Gabe come up?
Oh, yeah.
Because Gabe was with us.
That's right, so it must have been, God, it doesn't, it just seems, it all runs together, but yeah, because.
Old age.
A little bit. Old timers. Yeah, because Gabe and Jeremy came out, yeah, it was the middle of summer.
Middle of summer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And got the snowcat out, that was an interesting couple of days.
Because Gabe got to see my truck.
Yeah, and got the snowcat in here.
Yep.
Yeah.
And so now, what do we got to do for this year? We got the off-road games coming up.
That's going to be fun.
Yes.
The special build that we're doing for that one should be pretty cool.
That's right. We're doing a special build for the off-road record games because we're going to fly out to Sand Hollow this time, and so we decided that we're going to have a special build for us. It's being built in Vegas, and you'll see what it is.
You will be very impressed. It's pretty cool. I'm flying out in January 18th for 4 days, and I'll be working on it, and then go back in early March to help before the games. So yeah, not a lot of time to get it done.
No,
a lot of work,
but
we'll get it done as we always do. Still working on it in the parking lot.
Yep. It'll be untested, but that's the way it is.
Yeah, but it'll be fun. That'll be a lot of fun. And then, in between last year, I forgot, we did go do, Chris and Gail and Misty did their 50th birthday route.
Oh, yeah.
And they got to go wheeling with Bleepin' Jeep.
Oh, yeah.
That's right.
That's right.
At Whitlock.
Hey, look who I found. Matt from Bleepin' Jeep is here to take us out on the trails today.
That was in there too. So that was like early April sometime.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was fun.
We didn't go because I was recovering from back surgery.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll have to get suggestions on where to go this spring and fall before wheeling starts up here. It'd be fun to do something after the off-road games.
Yep.
Go somewhere, see some of you guys somewhere.
Yes.
Yeah, and be sure to come see us if you can at the off-road games.
Yeah,
we will be there.
And give us suggestions about where you would like to see the record. We talk about it all the time. We've heard from fans in Texas, Oklahoma, Virginia, Alabama,
Washington.
There's, we know there's places you guys would like to see us come to, and that's really what we're trying to hope to do.
That's what we're trying to hope to do is to travel
Georgia.
with the record.
Yep. And it's because of you guys. It's all the support that everybody gives.
Yes.
That's the other thing is the fan support this year has been amazing. The gifts that people have sent, the people that come up to us.
November, we went to Toys for Tots, and then we went to the SEMA Show.
Oh, we forgot SEMA.
You forgot SEMA. Really, old age here.
Wow.
It was a packed.
You guys were busy.
Skipped over SEMA.
God, I can't believe
I'm
that.
like, you guys were from
that was the
7
first
to,
time.
like 8 at night. 7 in the morning, 8 at night.
Yeah, that was the first time we ever went to the SEMA Show.
Yeah, been on my bucket list forever.
Yeah,
and the fact we got the invites to come out.
It was
amazing.
absolutely amazing.
I don't know. The trailblazer dress up. Well, Jake had one. So the sob so like actual paint.
No.
Incredible.
So many great people.
Didn't even get to see half of the SEMA show.
That's why they do it every year, so you can go catch back
Yeah,
up.
I only got to go for 3 days because I had to fly back out for work. Chris got to stay for the week.
Yep.
She got to meet Payway.
Oh, cool.
Rick Payway.
Cool.
And those kind of things. So yeah, that was super cool. You guys got to stay a little longer, but you also had to get back.
We had
work.
to get back for work.
So hopefully this year we'll go back again.
We'll
and
stay
spend
for the whole week.
Yeah, yeah, because Gabe and Chris got to spend more time, but it was
cool.
neat. Yeah. We met fans on Fremont Street.
We did.
We had
Your
our
brother.
BSF
your brother-in-law?
Yeah, my brother-in-law saw us on Fremont and other fans, and that was really cool. Just walking around Vegas and fans coming up and talking to Abby, Mara, and I. So yeah. Yep. I can't believe we forgot SEMA. That was such a big, epic thing for us.
Yes. Well, it wasn't a wheeling event.
True. But
it had to do with some wheeling. We saw a lot of weird things. And we had chauffeur Gabe take us around and show us all the sights.
Yeah. Yep.
So, yeah, it's been a wonderful year.
Well, except for in August when we lost also.
Yes, we lost our shop dog, unfortunately, but
working on another one.
Yes, we are.
A friend for the Booze Brothers.
Yep, maybe a friend when they come out.
So much stuff. Every month sometimes feels like a year. You know? It's a lot of work. You know, people ask us all the time, you know, how do you do it? And it's every week. It
is. It's for me. It's every weekend YouTube, during the week go to work. Yep. Every weekend YouTube.
Yeah. And when I tell, you know, I travel a lot for work, and when I'm talking to people and stuff and telling them about the channel or they're asking about it, they're always shocked that it's always free. You know, we don't make anything from the recoveries. No. Everything we do is strictly volunteer. The only way we keep the channel going is because of the fans.
Yep.
And all the money that YouTube pays plows back into keeping it going. So it's not getting rich off this.
No.
But the fans and the volunteer and they're always shocked. They're like, you don't get paid. No, we don't get paid.
No, we don't get paid.
Chris, Gabe, Gene, Ari, all the people that travel with us that you've seen in the videos.
Me and Eric,
we don't get paid. This is because we love wheeling. We love what we're doing. We love you guys. And I mean, it was a very blessed year.
I started it over 10 years ago.
I know.
And didn't make a dime and just did it.
Just kept doing it because it's fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, seriously.
And the other good thing we did this year is you got a brand new truck.
I did. Just recently, I got a brand new hauler.
Hey, Eric, I noticed something behind you.
That's my new truck. You want to take a look?
Yeah, I think we oughta.
Okay.
Yep. About time.
Yeah. It's got
the
warranty.
Top kick isn't going away. The top kick isn't going away. We between the dually and the new truck, the top kick just didn't have the stuff to go the distance. It wasn't.
I don't trust it.
Well, and it's not that comfortable of a ride for a family.
No,
when you're
it's
going.
not.
Totally different when you're using the dualies.
Yeah.
So, and we do a lot of long distance. Yeah. Yeah, the new truck. God, there was so much stuff.
But, you know, I came up last weekend to talk to Eric. I don't know if you've been slacking on watching videos of ours.
No.
You're caught up?
I'm caught up.
Okay. So, you know,
I watch them while I'm at the airport.
Yeah. You know, I was coming up with a name for the tow truck, right? Yep. Well, we decided the name. Want to know it? You guys want to know it?
Yeah.
Sassy Pants.
No.
Oh.
No. It's Blondie.
Ah, yeah! Blondie!
Blondie!
I think.
But all the guys had wonderful suggestions for the name of my tow truck.
Yes, you all did.
Blondie is her name.
Yep. Short, sweet.
No, it's not Sassy Pants.
So, anyway, it's been a wonderful year. Thanks to you guys. So thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, stay safe out there, and come see us in Sand Hollow.
For sure.
Or in the woods.